That is loud.
Hey guys, so I had this 1989 Game Boy original. So William, what is it?
It's the original Game Boy.
It's the original, yes, and we wanted to upgrade it with a nice new screen. So what did we do?
We disassembled the Game Boy. We picked up a retro kit to install it into the Game Boy.
And here we're doing the amp. So this was like the amp for the new speaker as well. So we have high output sound. Sounds good, eh?
Yep, it came out much louder than I anticipated because that's the first time I've installed.
So there was a lot of wires there. We had about 6 different wires we had to solder onto the board. It was a bit of a challenge, but we got it done. And it's on.
Yep.
Yes.
And
it turned on.
The screen looks really crisp.
So we're using the Easy Flash, right?
Yep, to run LSDJ on it so we can write some music on it on the fly.
Man, let's have a listen to some tunes.
Making some bass now. Now I got my drum. Yeah, let's make some drums now. Something quick. Oh, there's my 1 bar loop. There we go. There we go. Now done. There's my quick tune. There we go. That's my tune.
Good. Good job, man. Congrats.
Rock on.